Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HI. Digital transformation powered by real-time autonomous and intelligent algorithms. Presents the video. Economic value added by advanced mathematical models. Or operations research, billions and billions of dollars in social and economic benefits. Analytics is one of the pillars of the so-called smart computing. This is based on the statement of Andrew Bartels of Forrester Research, who in the study Smart Computing Drives the New Era of IT Growth states, verbatim. Smart computing is a new generation of integrated hardware, software, and network technologies that provide IT systems, with real-time awareness of the real world and advanced analytics, to help people make more intelligent decisions about alternatives and actions that will optimize business processes and business balance sheet results. The first three waves of computing are mainframe computing, personal computing, and networked computing. The fourth wave is smart computing, or optimization. It began, at least, 10 years ago. The fundamental support of smart computing is the mathematical modeling of the organization, that has produced billions and billions of dollars in benefits. From the above, it can be deduced that optimization based on mathematical models is a great business opportunity in first world countries and in developing countries. Jeremy Shapiro, professor of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, says, "The primary benefit of a DSS is the explicit reduction in costs and the increase in profits. Cost reduction of 8% performed by our client is not atypical. In our experience, the integrated analysis of planning problems, using mathematical models, determines strategies between 3 and 20% cheaper. Many companies do not allow them to publish their positive experiences, as they consider that an advanced decision support system gives them a competitive advantage." For more than 4 decades, winners of the Edelman Award have been recognized for transforming how they approach some of the world's most complex problems. The 2020 finalists are no exception, with revolutionary contributions in robotics, cruise industry pricing and booking, railway planning and productivity, IT system sustainability, corporate decision-making, and retail inventory operations. Finalists for the Edelman Award have contributed to a cumulative impact of more than $292 billion since the award's inception. The list of winners of the Franz Edelman Award for Achievement in Operations Research and the Management Sciences, from 2000 until 2021, are presented in the table. On the other hand, Jeffrey Alden, of General Motors Analytics Research says, more than $336 billion U.S. dollars of impact. Since 1974, Edelman competition finalists published their project accomplishments in the Informs, Institute for Operations Research and Management Science, Journal on Applied Analytics. These conservative guidelines exclude important yet difficult to quantify reported benefits, such as improvements in legal dispute resolution, cancer treatments, airline safety, epidemic disease control, organizational structure, on-time railways, space shuttle heat shielding, and water quality. 2020 Franz Edelman Award was won by Intel. The tech giant receives coveted award for integrating product architecture design with supply chain planning. Below are the success stories reported by the finalists of Edelman 2020. Intel has earned $25 billion by applying advanced analytics. Intel face efficient product feature design coupled with supply chain planning. It is critical to Intel's success given its scale, complexity of its products and manufacturing processes, and the highly capital-intensive nature of the semiconductor business. In response to an exponential increase in complexities, Intel developed an innovative set of capabilities, using advanced analytics, that span product feature design through supply chain planning, with the goal of maximizing revenue while minimizing cost. This set of capabilities is fast and effective, enabling analysis of many more business scenarios, in much less time than previous solutions, while providing superior results including faster response to customers. Implementation of this capability over the majority of Intel's product portfolio has provided average annual benefits in increased revenue and decreased cost of $1.9 billion and $1.5 billion, respectively, with a total benefit of $21.2 billion to date, while also contributing to Intel's environmental goals, of reducing water usage and preventing wastewater. Carnival and PLC built Yield Optimization and Demand Analytics, a cutting-edge program using advanced analytics and algorithms to provide dynamic price recommendations and inventory management. The program is a global collaboration involving leaders from 6 brands and teams across 3 continents who manage prices in 6 currencies. Since the system deployed in late 2017, it has been used to set prices on thousands of cruise voyages. Deutsche Bahn, the largest European railway company, is moving more efficiently thanks, in part, to a new decision support system. The system optimizes train rotations in cargo, regional and long-distance passenger transport divisions. The changes have resulted in direct savings in addition to better planning and productivity. The productivity of the locomotives and railcars has increased up to 10%, while the time savings were up to 80%. Global Technology Services unit of IBM has developed a cutting-edge system that utilizes machine learning and advanced data analytics to identify devices, such as servers, that are at risk for an outage. The system determines contributing risk factors, for example, outdated hardware, and prompts a fix before the problem occurs. Since 2013, executing recommended actions has reduced outages by 23%. This translates into savings of more than $1 billion every year for IBM's clients. The IBM team is also using this system to drastically reduce the number of problematic systems for clients by as much as 85%. Walmart's model of offering consistently low prices depends on constantly innovating to find new ways to reduce costs. The company developed a new system using machine learning to help perfectly time markdowns, to optimize sales and clear excess inventory in its stores. The technique relies on operations research and provides feedback to help avoid excess inventory ordering in the future. The technology has already helped the company save millions of dollars. Amazon fulfillment centers are the bones of the company's global operations network. Order picking plays a significant role in the overall process and accounts for a large part of the building's ability to drive faster cycle times and higher throughput. Amazon's revolutionary robotic system has reduced costs by identifying ways in which Amazon can process the picking of items faster and more efficiently across multiple floors and pick stations. The technology overall has led to significant performance improvement through stowing and picking inventory to facilitate sortation of multi-item shipments, reducing robotic systems travel by 31%. This has resulted in millions in savings per Amazon Robotics Fulfillment Center. Like Herbert Simon, Hypothalamus AI believes that the computer-based mathematical modeling is the greatest invention of all times. Thank you for your attention.